that Shap Abbey off in the distance. Let's go check it out. This is the remains of Shap Abbey. And between 1200 and 1540, Shap Abbey was home to a community of pre-Monasterian canons. And man, look what it used to look like. And yeah, it was slowly dismantled by Henry VIII. But can you imagine building this with the tools of the 1200s? You do get a little glimpse into what is inside most of these because you can see the inner structure that's left. A lot of the stone was hauled off and reused at other places. You can see here where it used to have columns down through here. And there's what's left of the columns. What's left of the spiral staircase that used to go to somewhere. And I assume that used to be a well for water. Can you imagine what that used to look like with the roof on it and the stainless glass in it? Sad to see it like this now, but I bet this used to just be grand. Important benefactors are often buried inside the church, and here's what's left of the bottom half of one of the stone coffins. This is the only building that is actually left. This was the infirmary for taking care of the sick and elderly canons. There were many great things about today's walk, but I think I will just make today about Shap Abbey. I'll see you tomorrow.